Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. As years go by, the manufacturers think we're just a bunch of sleepwalkers, and we don't realize that they keep cutting quality, amounts, and sizes. For that reason, I've been making more and more of my favorite foods from scratch, like this one, my pirate peanut butter cookies. Not very difficult to make. These cookies are far superior to the ones from the store. Plus, there's some seriously tasty filling. So let's get cooking. First, we'll make the dough. In a large bowl, we'll add flour, baking powder, then baking soda, and ground sea salt. We'll whisk until the ingredients are well combined and set aside. Now, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add butter as well as smooth peanut butter that has been melted, followed by brown sugar and granulated sugar. Using the paddle attachment, we'll process on medium speed until the ingredients are nicely creamed, cleaning the sides and the bottom of the bowl as needed. Next, we'll add 1 large egg and pure vanilla extract. We'll mix until incorporated, about 30 seconds. To this, we'll add our dry ingredients, reduce the speed to low, and process until just combined. Don't overmix, okay? When this is done, we'll add the rolled oats and fold them in until coated. We'll cover with plastic wrap and chill the mixture for 30 minutes, which will help hold it together without spreading as much when baking. Half an hour later, we'll use a portion scoop and by the tablespoon, we'll drop the dough on 2 large baking sheets lined with either a silicone mat or parchment paper. We'll leave a couple inches between each of them. When this step is done, we should have about 48 little guys. We'll now transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are set and the tops are golden brown. We'll let them cool for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Before going any further, this is the portion scoop I use. It's a 0, the color is plum, and its number is 70. It's almost a tablespoon. To be more precise, it's 14 grams or 0.49 ounce. If you want to have 24 cookies at the end, I highly recommend you use this or something similar in size. Now, let's make the filling. In a mixing bowl, we'll add butter, followed by melted peanut butter and pure vanilla extract. Using a hand mixer, we'll process until the mixture is nice and smooth. To this, we'll add confectioner's sugar and then on low speed, we'll mix until combined before pouring in the heavy cream. We'll process until we have a smooth consistency and of course, cleaning the sides and the bottom of the bowl. This is what we're looking for. Smooth, but still holds together. The filling can be too runny. The best way to know is to take some on a spatula and invert it. If it doesn't fall in the bowl, then it's perfect. I normally use only 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and it works every time. Now, before continuing, I like pairing my cookies according to the same size and shape for beautiful end results. I'm a perfectionist. What can I say? So after they're all matched up, we'll take the bottom from a pair and using the same portion scoop as earlier, we'll take some filling and place it on top. We'll now take the other half, gently place it on top, and twist it back and forth to get an even thickness from end to end. Et voila! Here's our cookie. When they're filled, we'll transfer the cookies to a wire rack then to the fridge for 1 hour to harden. Later on, we'll store them in an airtight container. They'll keep for up to 6 days in the fridge if they last that long. And my friends, these are our pirate peanut butter cookies. Now, that's what I call a delicious sweet treat. With a creamy peanut butter filling between 2 crunchy cookies, these are absolutely loaded with flavor. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit cofoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!